Hello YouTube family. I just want to show you how the chicken house looked like before it was completed by Alex Indawa, my builder. So this is how it looked like. He actually extended it using these burnt bricks. We made these bricks using an anthill. You know, I bought a mold and then we used the soil from the anthill is the one recommended for making this particular kind of bricks. So what we did, after we completed, we made a kiln and then we put them in there and they stay there burning for 1 week. But they have a problem when it rains too much. They sort of like start eroding. As you can see from this section here, can you see that? That's all erosion. So that's why I decided in the next clip you will see that I've plastered the whole thing. When you plaster it, it lasts longer, you know. So you can see the erosion there on this section here. So this is how it looked like before it was plastered. It really looks nice after being plastered. Look in the next coming clip, you will see what I'm talking about. So this has been transformed and it's now got a roof. The floor is done and it's looking very pretty, very nice for the chickens. So this will be my brooder house for my layer chickens. I'm still going to build 2 more bigger chicken houses for the big laying chickens. But this will be like the brooder. But the village chickens, I'm going to put them in another section of the farm. I'll build them their own type of house for the village chickens. These you see. They are quite good meat. You know, I believe in organic food, so this is ideal when you cook a chicken like this. You know, they eat natural food and it's very, very delicious indeed. So can you see the difference after being extended and then it's been plastered? It looks far much better being plastered. It's a very neat job and I love it. Look at that, beautiful. This can house at least 1,000 to about 1,500 chicks. Yeah, like I say, it's going to be my brooder house and it will be a place of transition for the baby chicks into the main big chicken houses that I'm going to build soon. I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you like the video, give it a like and share the video, leave a comment to inspire me, to encourage me, and also don't forget to press the bell icon for more notifications. And oh, I love it. I love the way it's just been done. Very, very nice transformation from what it looked like and what it looks like now. Very beautiful. Enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you for tuning in today. God bless you from wherever you're watching from.